Hi, if you're watching this video, you've received a LuJam sensor and would like to install it in your network. There are three main steps. 1. Set up the sensor. 2. Claim the network. And 3. Configure DHCP. Setting up the sensor. First, check that you have all the required components. The package you've been sent should contain the LuJam sensor, a power supply, and an Ethernet cable. You will need all three components in order to set up the LuJam sensor. The next step is to find a spare LAN port on your router. Plug one end of the Ethernet cable into this port and the other end into the LAN port on the LuJam sensor. Next, connect the power supply up to the LuJam sensor. Switch the power on. The sensor will take a minute or two to boot up. You should be able to tell if the sensor is happy by the output of the LEDs. The red LED will be on continuously if the power is okay. The green LED next to it should flash approximately every 15 seconds. This means that the sensor is correctly accessing the SD card. On the other side of the sensor, where the Ethernet cable is plugged in, you will see either a yellow or a green flashing light to signify network activity. If you've got this far, nice work. Your network is up and running. Now you need to claim it. To do this, navigate to portal.lujam.com/login and log in using your LuJam credentials. If you don't already have an account, you can create one by clicking Create Account. Upon logging in, you will be asked to claim your network. Don't worry if you already have networks. You can find the claim network in Support, Networks, Claim. Click on Claim. You will get a success message and you will be logged out. Congrats! You've just claimed your network. The next step is to configure DHCP. If you do not want to switch DHCP on the sensor, you can stop watching now. Configuring DHCP. Log back into the LuJam portal and navigate to Settings, DHCP. By default, the sensor comes with DHCP disabled. You can edit it before enabling it by clicking Edit. Don't worry, you can also edit it once it has been enabled. To enable DHCP, simply slide the toggle. You will get a success message telling you that DHCP has been enabled on your network. By enabling DHCP, you now have two DHCP servers running in your environment. The DHCP server on the LuJam sensor and the DHCP server running on your router. We only want one DHCP server running in the environment. So we're going to switch off the DHCP server on your router. Log into your router and navigate to the DHCP settings. Disable DHCP on the router and apply the changes. It can take up to 6 hours for a DHCP lease to expire, so don't be surprised if the switch to the LuJam DHCP server isn't immediate. If you would like a specific device to use the LuJam DHCP server immediately, then restart the device in question. You will know that LuJam is the primary DHCP server if you are able to access the site my.lujam.local:8080. Congrats! You are now set up with LuJam.